Hi everybody, Mark here, Rapid Response, and today I'm going to explain a little bit about a service that we offer on new vehicles going out of our shop. And today I'm ceramic coating this brand new Chevy Tahoe for West Hempfield Fire Department. They have two of these that are going to be going out, and talk to you a little bit about the process of this. So what we'll do is we'll wash the vehicle quickly first, dry it down, and then we use clay bar. So what clay bar does, if you're not familiar with this, if you're not an auto detailer, clay bar will remove the contaminants on the vehicle. So we'll use some type of a lubrication, like a spray wax like this. We'll spray it all over the vehicle, and we'll wipe this across the vehicle, continuing the lubrication. And what that does is it will remove all the deposits that might be in the vehicle. A lot of these new vehicles have a lot of deposits on them, so this gets that off. So that's the one step that needs to be done in this. And then the next step, what we'll do is we'll isopropyl alcohol the whole vehicle. We have to get any contaminant off. If there's any buffing that we need done, we would do that as well quickly. Normally the new vehicles are not too bad scratched up, but we can buff that if we have to. We can buff it out. And then we'll isopropyl alcohol the vehicle. We got to get all the sealants off the vehicle. We got to start with right down to the clear coat. So we strip the waxes and everything off the vehicle. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll use from Dura-coating Technologies, we'll use the Celsius spray. The spray that we're using is a 3-year spray. It's a ceramic coating, so basically what we're doing is we're putting on glass on top of the vehicle. Is basically what we're doing. And we're coated on, wait about 5 to 15 seconds afterwards. We're gonna wipe it right back off. You can do 2 applications if you want. It's not needed, but you can. And you get a mirror-like shine. And what this does for you is it's a little bit more expensive at the beginning. However, when the vehicle gets dirty, it cleans off super easy. It probably takes half the time to clean the vehicle with ceramic coating on it. The other thing that you don't have to do is your typical carnauba and things like that only last about 6 months. Sometimes only 3 months, depending on the area. And we're in Pennsylvania with salt and things like that. That stuff strips off fairly quickly. So this lasts a lot longer. One thing that we always advise then as well is after we do this to your vehicle, you want to wash it correctly. You don't want to be washing it with one wash mitt and doing the wheels and the paint with the same wash mitt. You want to use a 2-bucket method, one for the wheels, one for the paint. We also suggest you never use anything like Dawn dish soap. Dawn dish soap is a degreaser, and you can basically break down any coating that we put on it. So we want to use a pH neutralized shampoo, which can be found just about anywhere at relatively inexpensive. And you can also find some ceramic coating car washes that you can use as well, which we would suggest for some maintenance. And then maintenance for this, after you wash it, Dura-coating also makes just a quick detail spray, which is ceramic base infused. And you can just wipe that down, and that just gives you that extra little bit of layer throughout your few years of process of your ceramic coating. So enjoy, watch this vehicle. Will be coming up in a video in the very near future. And if you like something like this done to your new vehicle that we're building, we'd be more than happy to talk to you about it.